The Blue2 switch is a wireless, programmable dual switch that can also serve as a switch interface, allowing you to plug in two external switches to it. The plugins for the external switches are on the top edge. Changing modes on the Blue2 changes the signal you are sending to the iPad or computer. Different iPad apps and different computer programs look for different keyboard inputs in order for the switch to work. Here, for example, we see a list of simple cause and effect iPad apps. The sensory apps like Splooge, Electra, and Magma require a switch to send a number 1. So we would want to look at the back of the Blue2 switch and see if there's a preset mode for a number. Here we see that there is. It's mode 2 for switch 1. To change modes, first make sure that the switch is on by sliding the on button to the left, and then press switch 1 and then the mode button on the front of the switch. To move through the mode options, when you are in the mode you want, just pause to let that mode program. Now, the next time I press switch 1, the switch will send the number 1 to the iPad or whatever device it's paired to. If all you need to do is change to one of the pre-programmed modes, you're done. If, however, you need the switch to produce something other than the pre-programmed keyboard characters pictured here, you can do some advanced programming to create custom modes. You will notice that there are empty options for modes 4, 5, and 6 for both switch 1 and switch 2. This is because the switch can learn different commands. In order to learn a different command, you will need to plug in a USB keyboard. You will find the USB plug-in on the top edge of the switch. Once your keyboard is plugged in, go to the Learn switch on the right edge of the device. Push that Learn switch down toward the arrow. Next, press the Mode button to select mode 4, 5, or 6. Then press switch 1 if that's the switch you want to record the custom mode in. When you press switch 1, the light will blink to indicate it's in recording mode. Now you can press up to 4 keystrokes on the keyboard that you would like programmed into this mode on switch 1. You can continue this process with mode 5 or 6 for switch 1 by changing the mode again. To stop programming switch 1, press it. The light will stop blinking. You can then press switch 2 if you want to program mode 4, 5, or 6 on that switch. When you are done programming both switches, be sure to move the Learn button away from the arrow so that you can start using the switch.